Special education administration remains one of the most resource-intensive and compliance-driven areas in public education. Every day, educators, administrators, and families navigate multiple disconnected systems to support students with diverse needs. Constant audits, staffing shortages, and high documentation demands make it difficult to maintain oversight, affecting instructional time, student outcomes, and morale across districts. The reality is that the current ecosystem is largely reactive. Traditional platforms may track forms and deadlines, but they rarely connect the deeper context: student behaviors, interventions, family interactions, and long-term progress that truly shape success for learners with disabilities. That is why SpecialED 360 was created, to unify this entire journey in one connected environment. It brings teachers, specialists, and administrators together to manage everything from student referrals and eligibility evaluations to IEP and 504 planning, service scheduling, progress monitoring, and state reporting, all within one intuitive platform. At the center of this experience is Agent Joy, an intelligent conversational assistant built to simplify everyday tasks. Teachers can simply ask, and Agent Joy instantly prepares forms, drafts SMART goals, generates notices, reviews pending documents, and supports parent communication using real performance data and system context. And as we close, this blend of secure AI, responsible oversight, and human-centered design ensures that SpecialED 360 delivers innovation that is safe, ethical, and truly empowering, reducing administrative burden and elevating outcomes for every learner, while enabling seamless collaboration, deeper insights, and sustained progress across classrooms and districts.